h1 into d plus 1 upon 2 into h2 into d, half base height of both, right? Now new quadrilateral, E2 equals to what? Half into height is what? H1 by 2, it's divided halved, and diagonal becomes 2d. Similarly over here, h2 by 2 into 2d. So what it 2 gets cancelled, so half into h1d plus half into h1d. But what is that? That is equal to the earlier area, A1. So that means the area doesn't change, it remains the same. Got it? So these are the answers of all the fill in the blanks. Next, find the area of the given field. This is the given field. What? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, this is the total given field. You have to find the area. See, your problem is easy but lengthy. So you'll have to find for each separate area. Okay, let's start. Area of EFH. EFH, this half base height, 1 by 2 into 20 into 40, right? 400. Area of FHG, FHJG, this is what? A trapezium. Parallel sides 20, 40. Height is what? 40, 40, 80, right? So half into 20 plus 40 into 80, right? So 2400. Okay, next, area of GJA, again triangle, 40, and what is it? 60 and 20, 80, right? This is 60, this is 20. So half into 40 into 20, that is 1600. Okay, GJA gone. Next, area of quadrilateral EDCI. EDCI, this. What is this? 50, 50, and it's given, is it given that it's a rectangle? See here, this all angles we have to assume it as 90 degrees because 90 given over here. So remaining all, this is given as 90. See this short one, 90. So this is a rectangle because two sides equal and this one angle of the between. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.